focus and talk about a ceasefire violation by Pakistan that has now been reported in Akhnur. Ceasefire, we are told, has been violated by Pakistan along the LOC in the Akhnur sector. These are deferred pictures playing as Pakistani army has violated the ceasefire agreement along the LOC in Akhnur sector, reportedly providing cover fire to terrorists when it comes to attempting infiltration. Now, during this unprovoked firing, an Indian army official, according to reports, has also sustained injuries. This is ceasefire violation that has now been reported in the Akhnur sector in Jammu and Kashmir, and it seems that the Pakistani army officials were providing cover fire to terrorists attempting to infiltrate. Now, largely the situation in Jammu and Kashmir has been peaceful, but when it comes to terror state Pakistan, time and again, with the help of the Pakistani army, tries as far as multiple infiltration attempts by terrorists and gives them cover fire so that they can make way in the Indian territory. But many of their attempts go in vain as far as when it comes to the attempts that have been thwarted by our brave Jawans. And however, when it comes to the ceasefire violation that has now been reported, this time in the Akhnur sector, as far as when it comes to around the LOC, where providing cover fire to facilitate the infiltration of terrorists, we are told that the ceasefire violation has been reported. Details, please, Yavar.
This incident has unfolded yesterday, late evening in the Kiri Batal sector of the Akhnur, where we have been given the understanding that it was an infiltration, bid that has been foiled. Following that, an exchange of gunfire took place, in which initially the army had serious injuries to its junior commissioned officer, although he was quickly removed to the hospital for the medical attention, from where he was airlifted to the army's base hospital. But unfortunately, he succumbed to his injuries, and the army has said that the Pakistani troops, they tried to give a fire to facilitate the infiltration. However, the alert troops, they foiled this attempt. And now remember that there were already the operation that rattles in the Kishtawar, where the top Jaish-e-Mohammed militant commander among 3 militants were neutralized. But in the Akhnur sector, an infiltration bid has been foiled. But yes, unfortunately, army has to bear the casualty. One of its officer, junior commissioned officer, lost his life in this encounter. And there has been the massive surge that's going on there. And the alert troops, they are maintaining that there has been the all-time, vigilance that's being taken there. Now, remember that earlier there was a brigade-level commander meeting that held in the Poonch, but somewhere we witnessed that Pakistan again violates the ceasefire violation, in which the army lost one of
currently Yavar is also sharing coming in from Jammu and Kashmir is the Kishwar encounter, as there is a big success that is now coming in the way for our security officials, as 3 Pakistani-based terrorists have been gunned down, and a top Jaish commander that we are told has also been gunned down, as Yavar is sharing those details with us. Yavar, please continue on the Kishwar encounter, please.
Well, exactly, Amita. It was a 3-day-long operation that rattles in the Kishtawar. The security forces initially cornered at least a group of 3 to 4 militants there. And after that, for over 8 hours, there was a lull in a gunfight. But somewhere the security forces, they tightened this foreign and search operation. And yesterday, in an afternoon, 1 militant was gunned down. And by the late evening, 3 militants were gunned down. Among them, one is said to be the top Jaish-e-Mohammed militant commander, identified as Saifullah. He was involved in series of militant activities in the region and was active over several months, and has been, having the upper hand of recruiting the militants there. So somehow this is a big success for the security forces, considering to an operation that rattles in the Kishtawar. Because remember, there was the series of operation that rattles in the Pir Panjal and the Chenab range, where the security forces had to do the, week-long operations to get these militants. But somewhere we are witnessing that the 4 days long operation, it's the 4th day of this operation, when the security forces got this big success, M4 carbine rifle along with other warlike equipments, and these stores have been recovered from their position. The security forces are continuously maintaining that they are keeping an eye on this operation, and the search operation is still intact in the area. But yes, 3 Jaish militants have been neutralized in this encounter.
But the elimination of Saifullah, why is it now being seen as a significant achievement there, Yavar?
Amita, Saifullah is the militant commander. In fact, he was a top Jaish commander in the ranks and was active in the Chenab range over a past several months. And he's having the upper hand of carrying out strikes on the security forces or to threaten the locals there, or having the sharp hand in recruiting the militant or OGW networks in the area. That's why the security forces are considering it a big success of eliminating it, because by eliminating Saifullah, this will be the big blow for the Jaish outfit, because most of the Jaish militants have been neutralized in the Kashmir Valley, but they were having some upper hands in the mountainous range. Now remember, this operation comes in light when the Home Minister chaired a crucial level meeting in the Srinagar last week, in which he clarified and gave clear direction to the security forces to crash down the militant networks in the Kashmir Valley, as in the Jammu, because the militants, they are operating there in the mountainous range. So somehow we are witnessing that after that crucial meeting, this operation takes place, in which 3 militants killed. Among them, one is said to be the top Jaish commander. So this is a big success for
LOC ceasefire violation being reported in Akhnur, and this is the Kishtwar encounter that we are reported, as far as 3 of the top terrorists from Pakistan have been gunned down, have been neutralized. And this is coming across as a major success for our security forces, with the Jaish-e-Mohammed commander as well, who has been neutralized along with 2 other Pakistani terrorists, where a huge cache of arms and ammunition that has also been recovered from them. Thank you.